Hi, my name is Dr. Matthew Sim. I'm not a medical doctor. I'm more like a teacher in business and management. If you're depressed, remember, go for a walk, half an hour, do some exercise, and then eat food with like salmon, spinach, and tuna. Okay, today I'd like to talk about investments in bonds or bond funds. Should you invest in a bond or should you invest in a bond funds? The advantages of a bond fund is that it's diversified. The disadvantages is that the coupons you get will be reduced because the fund management company will take a small cut of it. My advice is that when you buy a bond, buy it in a safe country like in the USA or Britain, and then get as high a rate as possible. It's best to buy the bonds directly if it's a government bond. But there's no harm in buying a bond fund on reflection, because if the expense ratio is small enough, then you may like to consider it. But the problem with a foreigner buying a US bond is that the US government charges 30% tax on it. But if you buy any bond funds, my advice is to buy a bond fund with short duration, short term, maybe 1 to 5 years or 1 to 3 year bonds. Because the longer bonds you have, the more fluctuation there is in the price of that bond ETF. Okay, when I talk about bond fund, I'm talking about bond funds ETF. Okay, that's all for now. Boom.